is take.
Seek.
Jill is sick. She is in bed. She is sad. I will go to the garden, says King. I will pick
Flowers. Flowers.
flowers. Get
Well,
well.
Jill.
Jill, says King.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, says Jill.